Welcome back to another tutorial using the Color Workshop gift sets. This gift set is the Hollywood Starlet kit. You probably can still find these on Walmart.com on sale actually now. And I'm trying a new makeup technique in this video, and it's called the reverse smoky eye. And I decided to do a toned down version of it for the ladies who don't like a lot of makeup, but it's kind of different still yet, and we have the bold lips, so I'm excited to share it with you. I'm using the Color Workshop Eyeshadow Primer in this kit, which is actually really nice. It lasted all day, no creasing, and it has like a little bit of stickiness to it, so it really helps for those other shades of eyeshadow to adhere to it, and for packing color on, it's very nice. Here I'm going to be taking the Nude Natural Neutrals looking palette in the kit here, and I'm using that skin tone color there, and it's matte to apply all over my lid up into the crease area as well. And a lot of these shades are very nice. There's not a ton of fallout with them either, so that's nice as well. Some of the darker shades will probably see more fallout, but here, yes, I'm just patting and building up the color. These colors blend great and are very easily builded if you take the time to do so. I'm taking that shimmery beigey color there, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner there. And the layering really helps make this look. You're going to come out with a much more blended, beautiful, smoky kind of look if you layer colors. So I just applied that one for that purpose, just layering in general. So I'm taking that dark brown there, and that's going to be like the color for our smokiness look. I'm going to film more looks like this in the future, more dramatic looks with different colors, but I wanted this to be my first one. This is the first attempt at this look, and I love it. I first saw this on my Galash's channel, and she's amazing, so check her out. And like I said, I've never seen anything like this before, so it's really fun. And basically just windshield wipering that shade on top of the other shade in the inner corner, and blending a bit into on the lid as well. A lot of blending and building of the shades here, and make sure you don't go too far in with that. Don't even make it halfway into the middle of the lid, if that makes sense. For this look, I'm taking a really big fluffy blending brush, and this works perfect. Keep blending out those shades so they don't get crazy dark and high in any areas or carry too far over. And I'm taking that light, shimmery, like skin tone highlighty color and using that as my brow bone highlight. And yes, I know you can hear Connor in the background, but he's playing with his new toys, and you know, it is what it is. This is my only chance to film this voiceover. I'm using the Physicians Formula 2-in-1 Eye Booster Eyeliner Pen, and this thing's amazing. If you don't own it, you need it. And I'm starting out with a thin line, and I'm going to try to match up my wing the best I can. We all know that that's difficult sometimes. So the Color Workshop Kahjel eyeliner, now this is supposed to be the black one. I'm a bit disappointed because it is literally just it comes off about gray. It's not very dark at all, but it works for the purpose and it works for this look because I wasn't going for like a stark look, but it works. The translucent powder really like dulls the highlighter out. So now I'm taking the Color Workshop's mascara and the Browdway mascara. The reason why I'm using the Browdway mascara too is because I'm not a fan of this mascara. It did an okay job, but like most of the other Color Workshop mascaras, if you get them on your look, you can't hardly remove them even when they're dry. And this is exactly what happened here. So here is the e.l.f. glitter primer, and basically it's a sticky base for glitters. And I'd actually forgot that I had this in my collection, and I dug it out. And I've been using it for glitter and it works really great. I can't wait to try it with other looks. And I'm going to be using the gold glitter powder from this Hollywood Starlet kit. And I really like these glitters. They're super finely milled, and I think for them to be in the kit, they're safe for your eyes. And I just love in that pop of glitter. I've been doing it so much this holiday season. And I even wore it on Christmas Eve like this. It's so pretty. And yes, that's basically the reverse smoky look simplified in this tutorial for those of you that don't like a lot of dark makeup. And this is the AOA Studio 24-Hour Wonder Matte Lipstick in Brainchild. And this is the Wonder Metal lipstick in Unicorn applied in the middle there. And I absolutely love how that came out and looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look using this kit. I will be filming more looks using this kit, and thank you guys for watching. Like I said, stay tuned for more tutorials using the Color Workshop stuff that I recently bought and hauled. And everyone give a big thumbs up for Connor's cute little voice.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Say subscribe to my mommy.
Bye, mommy.